channel. And for today's video ay Thanksgiving. It's it's Thanksgiving and it's Thursday, November 17 here in America. And we're going to celebrate Thanksgiving at my friend's house. So this is my first Thanksgiving, guys, sa US. Me and my husband, pupunta kami ngayon sa bahay ng aking friend. And ito yung aking dala. Sana ba yung... Ay, ito na muna yung aking outfit. Binigay ito ng friend ko.
Wow!
I like this outfit. Bigyan niya lang to sa akin, mga madam. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. Ito yung outfit ko, guys. Binigay lang sa akin. And of course, nakasandal lang din ako kasi sa sasakyan lang naman at sa loob lang ng bahay, hindi naman malamig. Pero paglabas mo malamig dito. At ayaw ko mag-boots kasi hindi siya bagay. So, I like my outfit kasi brown at pangbuntis talaga. Oh, kinalang siya ko. And then naglutag, lang guys, kain ako ng tinapay. Is it already good? Yeah. Pupunta na kami ngayon kasi, your car keep it off. Babe, help me with the... I need that vegetables.
Okay, I'll come back.
Okay. Dadalhin ko yung mga ibang vegetables, guys, na binigay ng friend ko kahapon. Kasi sayang, hindi ko yan maubos. Pero bigay ko yan sa kanila. Buto niya lang ako dito. Malaking bag. Madami pa nga siyang binigay sa akin ng mga vegetables dito. Celery. Okay. Spinach. Not sure. I think I don't need spinach shade. Bigay ko na sa kanila. This one, diba? I like so heavy. I'm gonna give it to mama. Okay, no? At meron din akong dala, guys. Yung dala ko, kasi kami lang naman, so konti lang, lumpiang gulay. Kami lang naman ang friend yung kain. Tapos, yung asawa ko din, so hindi sila mahilig sa vegetable. And ito, puto bongbong. O, diba? May puto bongbong tayo na galing sa Wii. And of course, yung chorizo na pinadala ng aking friend na follower sa Facebook and it's spicy flavor. So, aalis na kami ngayon, mga madam. Paalis na kami, mga madam, at meron nga ako ditong tinapay na galing sa aking friend kahapon, yung sa Starbucks, sa mga tinapay na pinagdala niya. So kakainin ko muna to kasi hindi ako nakapag-lunch. At daan muna kami sa sa anak ni Mr. sa stepson ko para makita namin muna siya. Kasi doon siya sa nanay niya mag-celebrate, pero bukas kukunin namin siya. Camera shy. It was moving like it's peeking, so move, baby, move.
Road's so bumpy.
Yeah, maybe because the road is bumpy. Malapit na kami sa bahay ng friend, guys. I like this. Oh, my friend's house. So, kung saan kami na baby shower. Ganda ng guys, yung view dito. Ay, hala. The window. Magluto na kami ng mag-lunch kami ng 4. Ay, mag-dinner pala kami ng 4. Aragay. Yan ang puno-puno dito. Wow. Daming food. This one, ano to siya, Tita Gemma, yung ganito?
Ano yan? Gawa niya yan. Ano yan? Stuffing, sourdough,
Ah.
apple something. But it's good.
So parang
when you-
matamis o ganyan?
Hindi
Or
siya
hindi?
matamis. It's ano yung stuffing siya ng bread.
Asparagus, ano to, mashed potato,
Sa
salad. Grabe, kita talagang kakain.
Waldorf, merong apple, broccoli, pecan.
Oh, sige. Ito ham. Ikaw lang din tong gumawa.
Oo.
Nagbili ka na lang ng ano tapos binake mo.
Inano namin.
Ikaw nagtimpla. May ano na.
Siya nagtimpla.
Wow.
Lahat.
Ang galing.
From scratch.
Sige, magkain ako ng salad. Tapos ikaw na nag-bake nito. Binili mo na. Oo, so di ba yan?
Dalawang pumpkin pie. Tsaka
Pang-design. Grabe, ang daming pagkain.
Tama ba yan? Kahit nung doon sa buong.
Anong table, guys. Ayan. Wow. Napaka, ano ha? Yayamanin ng, ng design. Ang galing. Yung living room. Christmas na yung theme. Yan, may mga friend. Wow! Hello! Grabe, may ano pa, may dala pa.
Good seeing you again. How you doing? Yeah, we're best friend. Holy moly.
You're still on your baby. That was me, and I was hoping that you sit here.
All right.
Sit next to my kid over here. I'll get the soup. No, you don't carry that. I can carry making more product because that over here is getting small.
Oh yeah, you have.
We got him on a pre-workout.
Yeah, you have both.
Jensen.
Some of the kids are like, "Ooh," kind of scares me because like I get into the. Oh, soup? Yeah, it's nothing too fancy.
Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
The leftover soup.
It's a leftover soup from last week.
It's cold outside.
We scraped the mold off and then
Yeah.
soaked it in vinegar.
Yeah.
Put all the green stuff on.
There is vinegar in this one.
Yeah.
This is beef.
Got to pace yourself on Thanksgiving, you know. Got to warm your stomach up and then dig in.
Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you so much.
So my dogs are kind of jealous.
What is that?
I said my dogs are kind of jealous.
Yeah.
I couldn't spend time with them.
It's Thanksgiving, damn it.
I know. They're like, where are you guys going now?
Ano yung Hawaiian egg rolls? Ay, yung Hawaiian na na bread.
Oh yeah, Hawaiian.
Hawaiian peanut pie.
Like Filipino pandesal close to.
The one thing about pandesal is it's like
It's
crumbs. Makes a mess when you eat it, you know.
No, it depends on who makes that. Because sometimes it's not like that.
You done, Josh? You want to even?
I guess I should use my spoon. Is this your famous stuffing, Mitch?
Yeah, you gotta put gravy on it.
World
It's
famous?
breakfast sausage and sourdough.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
I like the
There, one right on San Juan, Riverside. What does it cost to go there? I'm sorry? The one on campus is $60 a month, I want to say. And they don't have locker rooms.
You don't want to You don't want to use
It's
this.
just crazy.
This is for Saturday.
Yeah.
What were we talking about? What were we talking
Spoon.
Yeah.
I learned by your mistake earlier.
Yeah. But I'm happy it's done.
You got one.
Nakikita mo rin niya yung vlog ko.
Am I doing the wrong way? Sorry.
It's tempting to go there.
So they serve coffee?
Yeah, they make like espresso, the coffee,
What's the name of
smoothies
it?
and
No
stuff.
pumpkin? What's the idea?
Bottoms up.
I'm not ready. Jam.
You know, Starbucks on one corner, there's an Arco on the other corner,
got
and
one
right behind
pumpkin?
the Arco, it's a drive-through. You can't go in, you know, it's just a drive-through.
Oh, it's a drive-through.
Ano nga to?
Bottoms up.
It's okay for me to go to.
My brother's is sick as
See, I got it.
That's why I took one.
Wait, when did you take?
I took,
Clothes.
boy, I took,
Close.
oh, no, I took
Oh my goodness. Ladies down. Oh, natin pa niyo. Ayan. Okay lang kayo dito. Okay, right. Sexy lady. Pinaka-sexy dyan yung buntis. Sinago pa.
Isa pa.
Isa pa? Okay. Dalawa.
Nobody
Tatlo.
move. Okay.
Okay, one more. One more. One more. Pumunta pa yung business. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, true. Two.
Oh, you really want to work out tomorrow.
I hurt my leg downstairs. Get up.
Oh, you can see.
Me and Mitch with this grumpy bear. Grumpy bear.
Take a picture.
So pretty without it.
I'll disturb them first.
I like it. 1, 2, 3. Look tough. We don't want the bakla.
Whoa.
This one.
Okay. Don't ask, don't tell. Yeah, I didn't say it.
Ayan. 1. Pretend you like each other. You guys pretend. They're not the good pretenders.
Finish. Pupunta kami guys sa birthday ng aking friend. So ano na dito? 7:25. Gala muna kami. Tagay. Ang taas. Ang taas sa sasakyan mo. Pag ano pala to? Pangtangkad. So magbibiyahe kami na 20 minutes lang pala. Dito na kami guys sa bahay ng aking friend. Gabi na. Wow! Hello! Happy birthday! Wow! Hello! Happy birthday!
Happy Jeff! You haven't seen them. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is Olga, my girl. Si Olga. Ah, no, you guys are nice. See?
Hello!
Oh, she's a blogger. Oh, but she fights back. Yes, the kids you're all over now. I know, I have babies. But it's vegan.
A chocolate moron.
Oh, dito yung plato. Here. Nandito yung plates.
Okay.
And then look at my autumn fruit salad.
Ito, may kasaba cake. Ito, ano to siya, Tita Milet? Ano to siya?
That's ubi halaya.
Ubi halaya. Then salad.
You want salad?
Magkain ako ng salad. Maya, ayan ako.
Yan.
Turkey. Food. Kainan ulit. Yan.
You guys are drinking again?
That's right.
That's good.
Party goes on.
So it's 24 hours. 7 up and orange.
You need to call the
And
canopy
then,
guy.
and then the
know.
powder. Let it drain it. The powdered sugar. And then for 5 minutes,
Cute na mga aso, no?
yeah, so oven. And that's it. But it's so big kasi. Yeah. Because I hear it on TV, it's like, oh. First Thanksgiving here, huh?
Yeah, first time.
It's not siya.
Sa ano? Sa Facebook din.
Oh, talaga? From where are you from?
December. Ayun, hindi nag-start.
And then the first time I met her. Yeah, we had parties.
Yeah.
Siya dinadala.
Last time.
You should try, I know, yung ham.
Does it take a while to get us?
Dessert naman guys. May lumpia. Maron.
And then you guys got yeah, and then I was
Meron pala ditong ano guys. Oh, yan.
I was doing pipeline at college too.
Kuha siguro.
Nia? Gusto mo? My brothers, yeah, my brothers.
Ayun yung ano.
Nice, may kasama ka. That's very nice.
Chocolate. Dessert naman. Busog ka na. Cute. Kung masarap tong chocolate moron. Ano to? Ikaw lang hindi nakakain ng salad. Let's try. Diba? Puro sweets to. Puro sweets na to guys. Picture na. Obi halaya. Ito lang yung kakainin ko guys.
Yeah. And then,
Puro matamis. Naman mga cheese na section. Grabe dito sa Amerika guys, no? Ang dami nilang ano, handa. Tapos lahat naka-decorate, lahat naka-design. Ayan. Ayan tayo guys ng ano, arroz caldo. Oo, sa party. Malapit lang si Kuya Marlon dito.
Yeah, he was here, he just left.
Yung bahay niya, malapit lang.
Siguro 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Babait naman ang mga aso mo. Hindi sila tumatahol na ano.
Iingay ng mga yan.
Matanda na to si Sophie ha. Takot na si Sophie. Kanina ikaw yung leader.
Dog.
Ngayon takot na. Takot ka na.
Na yan. I told you.
Naghanap ng kaibigan. Ha?
Outside. May nakita siyang aso na malaki. Ang tapang niya.
come on, baby, hold on. Shadowy head.
Ay, bait nga, no? Ala, ka-smile siya. Ay, si Sophia, wala na. Ang itsura. Uy, dapat mahiya ka. Hindi ka nahiya. Nahiya na si Sophie.
Natakot na siya.
Tinabla na ng hiya.
You're acting tough.
Ah.
What happened? See?
Wala na, kanina ikaw yung bida. Opo, no? Ano mo, ilagay mo nga siya kung ano pa siya.
Shadow lagi.
Cute. Wala, nakasmile. Nakasmile. Ah. Wala, nagsasmile na siya.
I think my leg.
Shadow. Shadow, mabait si Shadow. Okay.
Sit.
Ito sit.
Sit. Stay.
Uwi na kami guys. Kasi ano na 9:36. Uwi na kami ng bahay. Magbiyahe pa kami ng mga ilang oras. Siguro mga 40 minutes na pauwi ng bahay. Kita ko sa inyo. Ayan ako. Ayan. Malamig sa labas.
Hey, man.
You wanna take some of the, this? You wanna take some of this?
Bye! Sama na ulo. Bye! Sino nga ba ang pangalan niya nito? Apa. Lumpia rapper. Apa. Hello! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Subong aso, ha?
No, wala ka. Uy, ang lamig! Uwi na. Uwi na kami, guys. It's already 10:30 na siguro, 10:30. Oh, it's cold. Cold. Ay, wala. Good night. We just got home. And that's all, everyone, for today's video. It's already 11:04. Thank you guys for watching and happy Thanksgiving. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. And thank you for those friends who invited us. God is good and we got home safe. And if you want to follow us, guys, in Facebook, my name is Marie Rose Vlog with Blue Mark Check. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Goodbye, everyone. Bye. God bless.